Hey guys, check this out. Look, 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 look. Look, I wake up this morning, look what I see. Look what I see, look what I see. Rawr! Look what I see. What? Ah! Play epic, scary music. Oh man, what do I do? Look at this. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. If he bites me, I know what to do. Shit. Oh, fuck. I just want to stretch. Shit. I don't know if she's sleeping. Damn, this is my first time ever seeing a spider this big. Up close. Not actually, well, I mean in nature, not in like, I don't know. This is scary. Hold on, what's happening? Oh fuck, she went inside. Oh fuck. I mean, I'm gonna try to take her out. I'm gonna just take her out and see what happens. I'm gonna have this on camera, like those nature hunters. I forget how it goes. Nah, you can't be inside. Alright, I'm gonna untie it. If she jumps out, I'm just jumping back. That's just crazy. I wake up, I'm about to put my shoes on. See, now I gotta cover my shoes when I go to sleep. Now I gotta cover my shoes. Oh my god. I had this on camera, so this is amazing. Okay. These are my shoes. What are you gonna do to me? I don't have bait. Oh. This is a spider. This spider wanted to sleep somewhere. I understand. Look at that web. Look at that web. Is that a web? That's a web over there. Look at this. That's a web. That's a web. Oh, wow. That's new. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And I gotta tap her out because I'm trying to go get some internet. Alright, look. Holy shucks! Oh fucking fuck! Oh my god! Oh shit! Yo, there was like a little spider right there. Oh shit! Guys, don't come for me, but I'm just trying to like. I think that's a spider. Yeah, that's a spider. And they killed a roach. Yo, these roaches down here could fly. I swear to God. They don't bother you, but they could fly. Yo, yeah, she killed a roach. Okay. Don't have babies in my shoe. I will tap you out. I will bring water. I don't have water, but I have apple cider vinegar. You guys, Alright, let's see. Nah, you guys gotta do your business elsewhere. I'm scared as shit now. I mean, I gotta go. I can't walk out into the public with no shoes. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay. Hi, miss. Didn't want to bother you. You got my shoes on. Yeah? Looks like this. You know, you might be in it. You see a little big person in front of you. He's pretty smart. You're pretty smart yourself. Hey, maybe he wants to put his shoes on, right? Man, wait till people see this. This is gonna be. This is not. This is different. This is not one of those things. This is another thing. This is. Hold on, I gotta do something. You guys can keep watch. Just hold watch for me. I gotta put on my gear just in case something happens. I don't know if they can jump. I don't know. But I'm a smart human, so this is how it goes. I have another pair of shoes, but those shoes are my like walking shoes. Those are like my earth shoes, my earth sneakers. Oh shit, that's a good idea. So I have an idea. Actually, I have an idea, but I don't want them to make babies in my shoes. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want them to I'm not like that. I have to kill you. Well, I don't want to kill you, but let's go. My last thing, I have to do white sage. I have to do white sage. Yeah, I'm gonna have to show you guys white sage because we all like the light, but we don't like the fire. It's funny, but it's not funny. But then again, that's funny, but it's gonna hurt. I gotta find my white sage. White sage, white sage. Give me a sec, guys. Let me do something. Keep watch. Look out for me. She pops right there. Just let me know, because I gotta set it like that. Okay. Mission accepted, Mother Nature, but that's not fair. I just woke up this morning. I'm planning to like go somewhere. Oh, let me wet my head for a sec. There we go. But yeah, I have white sage somewhere in here. I mean, they're more scared of us than we're scared of them, but they can't stay in there. I gotta get them out. This is my first time ever having such an encounter. I have a lot of film. Hi, Mom. I'm camping, and I happen to find some nice critters. Yep. They call me the crocodile hunter, except I'm in the land, not the water. Okay, look, I got something, guys. So let's see. This is white sage. I have like a tent. I have to find my I have to find my I mean, I'm close by to the place, but you know, it's still low key. But yeah, okay, let's see. Is she still in there? I don't want to lift it up. She's there, so I'm using a stick. Shucks. Alright, don't matter. I'm using white sage and she has to pop out. That's how it goes. She has to go. I'm not gonna hurt you, but I'm gonna try to record this while... Amazing, right? Look at this. Ah, shucks. Alright, look, I have to drop it in. Come on. Got her. She's out, she's out, she's out, she's out, she's out. Look at it, look at it. I hope you didn't have babies. Ain't nobody got time for that. You're there, I see you. I'm just watching you, because if you try to chase me, that's not funny. There you are, there you are, there you are, there you are, there you are. Let me check it out. I did it though, I did it. I think I did it. There's nothing else in here? No. I have socks on, so. What a morning. Oh man, this is real. Not ironic, but it's real. Where is she? Oh, she's right there. I'll give you a second look close up. Camouflage. She's right there. She's like right. It's like that's the curve. She's right under. Hold on, look, I'm gonna do something. I don't want to bother her. But yay, mission successful. I got the. Oh, you see her? She's right there. You see her? She's brown, but her legs are right there. Look. Yeah. And camera looks different. It's like I had to zoom out visually. Alright, leave her alone. She's right there. But yeah, mission success, guys. Hey. I got white sage. I got my shoe free. I should put on a glove to make sure like nothing's in there, but I just banged it out. I feel safe. If anything bites me, I know what to do. Tevin, what do you do? Oh my god. They're poisonous. You're gonna get hurt. I know, and I understand that. That's actually real, so I take heed to that. I like some other things, but even then I still take heed. I kind of can't tell people since my audience, I already know what my audience might be like, just for the time being. But if you ever get bitten by anything in nature and you know they're poisonous or they can be harmful to you, such and such, you use your own urine and you just pee on the wound and you rub it. True story. Even snake bites. I feel like almost everything can be cured with urine. I've read it online, I've heard testimonials and everything. It just feels that way. It's like, wow, why would no one tell us about this? But this is possible. Even if your blood's tainted and you weren't the best vegetarian and you didn't drink that much water in your life. That's funny. It could definitely work. Urine therapy. So you would just rub it if you got a snake bite, and then also not just rubbing it on the wound, but also putting a drop of it under your tongue and leaving it there for 30 seconds. Because we know by now that everything, well, if you put like anything under your tongue, it gets absorbed into the bloodstream quick. Because and your tongue's right there in your brain, chew, 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 with the signals and everything. At least that's what I think so. So yeah. I think so. Nah, I believe it. That's the power. That's the power. Is there anything else here? Yeah, this was just a video. I had to make this video because I saw there's a spider. What? You see a spider? Holy shit. Nah, that was kind of new to me. I never seen that. Not in real life, real time, real everything. Not like that. But it's very new, so it taught me a lesson to just protect your shoes, because apparently they're smart enough to want to hide for a little while, but not in my shoes. No, no, no. You guys still there? Thank you for watching. This has been an episode of Tevin's Bizarre Nature Experience or something. I'm ready. Let's go. Bottle. Everything else I can just leave. I can't show you, but let's go. Where I am, I'm close, but I can't tell you where I am. I could tell you, but it doesn't matter. That's always my excuse now. Speak with volumes. I'm gonna make a video soon, after this or before this or whenever, I don't know. But when you walk in nature, whether with shoes or with your bare feet, try to step like you're rolling your feet. So like even when you walk, the bugs underneath your feet they'll be plushed, but they'll be plushed in a way that like it won't hurt. Like it won't hurt, and they'll be safe because the grass and everything is very soft. That's how I imagine it. And the birds talk to you. Look at that. Look at that. But yeah, just kind of, and walk fast when you're on grass. Just walk fast, just for the sake of not killing anything. Like, just for the sake of not, you know, hurting or harming or killing any living life form. For the highest benefit and all good of everything that is on Earth. Yeah. So, you know, just do that. Just be a good person. Be a good human being, something natural. Tevin, have you seen butterflies? You're in a warmer place. Yeah, but it's not like when I was back home, like home. It was like, now they're everywhere, so if I'm transforming, I'm literally transforming, like the whole thing. I see ladybugs a lot. But it's not. Well, I still see ladybugs. I see ladybugs at night, though. So I have good luck at night. I got protection. Yeah, so, you know, nature. I'm outside. I'm camping. I'm hiking. I'm doing some things. You know, the Tevin thing. The Tevin thing. This video is going to be its own video. It's going to be my own creation. Like, hey, how you doing? See my shadow? I can't show you much else, but it's cool. Otherwise, hey guys, take care. Love you. Peace, love, joy, gratitude. I have a water bottle. I'm gonna get some water. Fill up. Sun gaze, maybe. Sun's nice. Take care, guys. It's a long video. I gotta go soon. Make some moves. I'll make a video soon. Don't worry. You seen all my stuff, Facebook. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy life. However you do so. Bye.